Hello, this is Engineers Talk. Today we introduce the repair process of the Mitsubishi MELSEC PLC FX1S-30MR-001. The product was sent in for repair due to signal malfunction symptoms. Upon inspection, faulty relays were found, requiring removal to repair damaged patterns. Additionally, several consumable parts, including capacitors, needed replacement. After completion of repairs, we conducted a power test to ensure proper current flow to power and run. Following shipment, the product was installed in the field equipment and tested, confirming normal operation without any signal connection issues. As your reliable maintenance partner for industrial electronic equipment, Engineers Talk strives to expedite the restoration of your equipment to normal operation. Thank you.